Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Learn Guitar. The score, deep end, nice song there. They're chasing the adrenaline. Understand that it's the weekend, and we have this 4-chord progression song here. We will start with the capo set here on the 4th fret. Alright, so with that, we have A minor, D minor, F, and E. Easy chords. So let's start this to go over with chords here. The A minor first. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the next chord here, the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. F, bar chord. You place the bar on the 1st fret of all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And the final chord is E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Alright, so we have this chord progression in the same order we went through the chords here. A minor, D minor, F, and E. You can play this with 2 different string patterns. They're very similar, but the first one will be, if we look at this with the A minor chord, since that is the first one, 4 downs. So you will play like this. So you play 4 downs, and you're gonna play on the bass strings for the first 2 downs. Then the 3rd down, you go down to the higher notes down there, and then back up on the 4th down to the bass. So bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. Okay, you're gonna play 1 string around per chord, so that will give us A minor, D minor, F, and E. The second version of the strumming will be just to replace the 3rd down there, the one you go down on the top notes, with a clap instead. So that will be down, down, clap, down. Same there, 1 string around per chord, same chord progression, and that will give us cool song to learn on guitar, a little bit different, but anyway, this is the scores, deep, and so thank you for watching, guys, and thank you for all the supports. Play tuned.